Today we're going to talk to Dan Smith, Regional Agronomist with the Nutrient and Pest Management Program, and Dr. Rodrigo Werle, Extension Cropping Systems Weed Specialist, about proper herbicide selection for water hemp control.
Dr. Werle, thanks for joining us today. As the photo's shown, we have some weed escapes from last fall, some weeds that went to seed, particularly some lamb's quarters and some water hemp. We're going to be rotating these fields to corn this year and then soybeans next year. So what kind of recommendations would you have to control those troublesome weeds?
If those fields are going to corn this year, we have a lot of effective herbicide options for control of such weeds. We tell our farmers to select an effective pre-emergence herbicide program containing at least 2 sites of action. They scout those fields frequently following application, and once they observe the weeds breaking through, to come with an effective post program. If the crop is long ways from closing canopy, it is advised that they also include a residual herbicide with that post application. Take advantage of the corn year. That's going to set you well for the following soybean growing season.
What kind of cultural practices could we incorporate into this crop rotation that may help us reduce these troublesome weeds from going to seed?
That's an excellent question. What we tell growers is that they have to promote canopy in their system to prevent these weeds from establishing, so plant early, good agronomic practices. If they are in a soybean year, consider narrow row spacing. The sooner that crop closes canopy, the better weed suppression you're going to get out of it.
And finally, Dr. Werle, what kind of management tactics should we employ this fall to clean up any fields that may have gone to seed?
Some of the work that we have done, Dan, and you're part of it as well, be strategic with your harvest. Start from the clean fields and harvest the weedy fields last. As you move between fields, make sure you clean your combines. Combines do a tremendous job spreading weed seeds from fields to fields. Other thing that growers may want to consider is the inclusion of a cover crop in the fall. We are seeing very promising results drilling rye after corn harvest and then planting those soybeans the year after and terminating that zero rye cover crop at the time of soybean planting. Some really good results in our research plots in regards to weed suppression from that cover crop.
Thanks, Dr. Werle, for providing some great insights on how we can manage these troublesome weeds this growing season.